Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. In this video we are going to discuss one English grammar topic, very important topic, very useful topic, easy topic, degrees of comparison. This is useful for 10th class students, intermediate students, degree students, for TET aspirants also, those who are going to appear TET exam. TET exam is tomorrow only in TS, in AP next month is there. So it's very useful topic, and this topic deals with only adjectives, Adjectives, they show 3 degrees of comparison. How many? 3 degrees of comparison: positive, comparative, and superlative. So positive is the lowest degree of comparison, comparative is the second degree, middle one, and highest degree of comparison is superlative degree. Okay. For example, have a look at the board. Have a look at these 3 examples. Raman is a tall boy in the class. Raman is taller than Rajan in the class. Raman is the tallest boy in the class. So in the first statement, Raman is a tall boy in the class. We are not comparing Raman with any other student in the class. We are talking about just one student. We are just talking about one student. So Raman is a tall boy. There is no comparison here. When there is no comparison, this adjective is called, it is in positive degree. This is in positive degree. Okay. But here, in the second statement, Raman is taller than Rajan. Raman and Rajan, 2 students are compared here. When comparison is made between two persons, 2 places, or 2 things, means 2 nouns, the degree is called, the adjective is said to be in the comparative degree. When the comparison is made between 2, the adjective is said to be in the comparative degree. Here, look at the third statement. Raman is the tallest boy in the class. Of all, of 30, 40, 50, of all, he is the tallest one. He is the tallest one. So, this is superlative. So, this is called, highest degree is called superlative. So, here many are compared. Here only 2 are compared. Here many are compared. When comparison made among many, so the adjective is called superlative degree. This is called superlative degree. Tall, taller, tallest, high, higher, highest, clever, cleverer, cleverest, fast, faster, fastest, slow, slower, slowest, happy, happier, happiest, dirty, dirtier, dirtiest, heavy, heavier, heaviest, holy, holier, holiest. Sometimes we have to add more, most also. Beautiful, more beautiful, most beautiful. Important, more important, most important. Poisonous, more poisonous, most poisonous. Dangerous, more dangerous, most dangerous. Developed, more developed, most developed. Okay, like that. So various degrees are there. So these are change of adjectives. Now, example, in the exams, how will they ask this topic? They give the exercise. So in the exercise, there are 3 types. Mainly 3 types are there. Okay. So type 1. First we begin with type 1. Okay, type 1. Type 1. Take one sentence. Asia is the largest continent in the world. Largest continent in the world. Asia is the largest continent in the world. So where is the adjective here? Adjective largest. Largest. So ST form is there. ST form is there. Okay. Superlative, and the article the comes only in superlative. Now we have to write, this is A, superlative. Equivalent comparative and equivalent positive degree. Equivalent comparative and equivalent positive we have to write here. How to write? Asia is the largest comparative, larger than any other continent in the world. Any other continent in the world. Asia is larger than any other continent in the world. Larger, this is comparative degree. Okay, comparative degree sentence. Equivalent without changing the meaning. Asia is the largest continent in the world. Asia is larger than any other continent in the world. Positive, third one, positive, how to write? No other continent, no other, we have to start with no other. This structure is very important. These words we have to remember. No other continent in the world is, no other continent in the world is, so larger, positive is large. So here one as, left one as, right one as large as. So as large as, we are comparing with Asia now, so as large as Asia. Okay, Asia. This is positive degree. No other continent in the world is as large as Asia. Right. So this is called positive degree. So the structure of the sentences we have to remember. Okay, Asia is the largest continent in the world. Asia is larger than any other continent in the world. No other continent in the world is as large as Asia. Similarly, Australia is the smallest continent in the world. Australia is smaller than any other continent in the world. No other continent in the world is as small as Australia. Okay, William Shakespeare is the greatest English dramatist. The greatest English dramatist. Okay, comparative. William Shakespeare is greater than any other English dramatist. No other English dramatist is as great as William Shakespeare. This is type 1. Okay, type 1 is over. Now type 2. Type 2. So how to change type 2? Here take one example. 2a. A. Okay. Mumbai is one of the biggest cities in India. One of the biggest cities in India. Mumbai is one of the biggest cities in India. So where is the adjective here? Biggest. One of the biggest. So biggest, superlative only. ST is there, the is there, superlative. If ST is there, if article the is there, superlative. ER is there, than is there, comparative. No than, no the, plain form, that is positive. In this way we can easily identify. But this is superlative, this is also superlative. The difference is, why it is called type 2, why it is not type 1? One of the, here only the, here one of, plural. So this is called plural comparison. This is called singular comparison. Type 2 is called plural comparison. So here, how to change it into comparative means, Mumbai is, okay, one of the gone, bigger than, same. Here any other, here many other. Instead of any other we write many other cities in India. Mumbai is bigger than many other cities in India. So many other, okay, bigger, comparative degree. This is called comparative degree. Mumbai is bigger than many other cities in India. Now positive, we have to start with very few cities in India are, very few, we have to start with very few. Very few cities in India are bigger, positive, big. This side one as, this side one as big as, we are comparing with Mumbai, that comes last. Mumbai. This is called positive degree. Positive degree. Very few cities in India are as big as Mumbai. As big as Mumbai. Okay. For example, Sachin is one of the most popular cricketers in India, in the world. Okay. Whatever. Sachin is more popular than many other cricketers in the world. Very few cricketers in the world are as popular as Sachin. Okay, like that. The USA is one of the most developed nations in the world. The USA is more developed than many other nations in the world. Very few nations in the world are as developed as the USA. In this way, you take numerous examples. Many more examples you take. So instead of many other, we can write most other also, no problem. Most other also, no problem. Okay. So very few, instead of very few, few other also, no problem. Same. Few other, very few, same. Many other, most other, same. Now come to type 3. Type 3. Last one, type 3. This is called dual comparison. Why is it called dual comparison? Means only two are compared here. Only two are compared here. Two nouns are compared, two persons, two places, or two things. For example, Vijayawada is hotter than Hyderabad. Hotter than Hyderabad. Vijayawada is hotter than Hyderabad. Vijayawada, one city, Hyderabad, another city. Two cities are compared, two nouns are compared, which is called dual comparison. Last type, dual comparison. So hotter, ER is there, than is there. So this is CD, comparative degree. Now we have to change it into positive degree. Positive, how to write? So Hyderabad comes here first, Vijayawada goes last, like this. Okay, like this. Okay, first comes last, first goes last, last comes first. Okay, Hyderabad is not positive to negative, negative to positive. Already not is there, we should not write. It is not there, so we have to write. Hyderabad is not as hot as, positive, as hot as, or so hot as, both are same. Hyderabad is not as hot as Vijayawada. This is positive degree. This is positive degree. Hyderabad is not as hot as Vijayawada. Okay, this is called positive degree. Okay, first one goes last, last one comes first. Okay, positive to negative, negative to positive. For example, Kashmir is more beautiful than Ooty. Ooty is not as beautiful as Kashmir. Okay, right? Asia is bigger than Africa. Africa is not as big as Asia. Right? Okay. So in this way, you take many more examples and you try to change. These three types are very, very important. This is the exercise for degrees of comparison, DOC. This topic deals with adjectives. Okay. Hope that this video is very helpful to you. Okay. Thanks for watching my videos. Meet again very soon with another interesting topic. Till then, take care. Bye bye. Jai Hind.